So we're in chapter 6 and the name of the chapter is Presentation Software Introductions. Last class I have shown you different way for creating or new presentations. So see children, today we are going to add a text in a slides. So like suppose I want to add the heading here as a computer. Okay, so we can simply press the mouse, then we can begin the typing. And like if you have completed, you can click on the office button and you get a save as options. Okay, and you can click the location where you want to save. You can type the name, click on save button. So by this way you can save. And if you want to close, you can click again office button, then close option is there. Okay, by this way you can close or exit. Even the cross button is there at the corner, you can click on this. So by this way also you can exit. And already saved, say suppose if you have saved your document presentations, you can click on the office button, you can click on the open options and go for the locations. And you can select the file from here and you can open this. Okay, so we can do this all things. Now see the layout children. There are different types of layout. Basically you'll get the 9 different types of layouts. Title slides, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, picture with captions, content with captions, and blank. Okay, there are so many. Like we can insert new slides over here. Like suppose I want to insert this one. Okay, so like this we can insert new slides. We can add the pictures over here by clicking here, go to the insert tab, and you can go for the clip art. It's a picture gallery. Okay, so we can click on the clip art options. You can type the name here, then click on the OK button. You get this different images available here. You can double click, the image comes. Okay, you can even make it the image bigger in size also, like this, simply dragging. You can make the image size bigger. Okay, there's a different picture shapes. You can use different picture shapes. You can have in a circle. So different styles you can apply on your picture. Okay, this is a clip art gallery. See, again I'm taking a new slides. Now insert, we have pictures also, like saved pictures. If computer has some saved picture, you can use that one also as a background for your slides. Okay, you can make this one also small, bigger, rotate. You can do different operation on this. See, I made it small. Then we can click on this one and we can rotate the image. Okay, so these things we can be done using a pictures. So children, what we can do is first of all, PowerPoint is used for presentations. Okay, we can add the text, we can add the pictures. Pictures we can add by 2 different ways. That is, we can use a clip art gallery or we can use a picture. Okay, but in picture, when you click on the picture, the image should be stored in the computer. Then only you can use that. And clip art gallery means the inbuilt gallery. Okay, predefined. By default, the pictures are available, so you can use that one also. So this is the benefit. We can save, like we can click on the office button, save as, and let me save also. Say desktop, and I want to save this by the name computer only. So let us click. Now I want to close this one. Okay, and exit the presentations. Now see the PowerPoint which I have saved is here. Okay, the computer. I'm opening this one. Okay, or else there is another way also to open. You can click on the office button, then PowerPoints, and finally the office button from here, open, and the desktop, and from here we can go for the computer. Okay, and it is available. So this is about the PowerPoint chapter 6. So PowerPoint is basically used for creating a presentation. You can create a professional look presentation with the help of PowerPoint. That's why it is known as presentation software. Understood, children?